teaching you trigonometry. I will continue the same. Yesterday I was teaching some of my own problems. Okay, and today I am going to teach the final concept of the trigonometry. Okay, because these problems are so many. Today I am going to teach the final concept of the trigonometry. Okay, so that is trigonometric applications. Okay, applications of trigonometric ratios. Applications of trigonometric ratios, that is chapter number 9. Okay, chapter number 9 I am going to just it is a very smallest chapter, very easy chapter, and 100% one question will come from this chapter. It is easiest chapter in 10th class, and 100% one question will come, big question will come in this chapter. So even a very weak student can do this chapter very much. Okay, nothing very seriously concepts, big concepts, typical concepts वैसा नहीं है, easy chapter है. So this is applications of trigonometry. Application, daily life questions. I'll write only T. So I'll just give you a triangle, a right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle. Okay. So now I will not consider this as a triangle. So AB is a tree. AB is a tree. Okay. So that means right angle triangle is converted into a daily life application. And at C, a man is observing. A man is observing the top of the tree. This is called top. The top of the tree. And this is called bottom of the tree. Okay, bottom of the tree. A man is observing the top of the tree at a 60 degrees angle. Now I will remove this tree. This I will change it as a tower. Okay, tower, tree, they are vertically grow. That means the angle between them to the ground is always 90 degrees. So a tower. So now the man is observing the top of the tower with an angle 60 degrees, and the bottom is at B. So the tower height is height H. Okay. So now this angle we call it as angle of elevation. Angle of elevation. Okay. Lesson 6. Yeah, after this concept I will teach you exclusively for you people if you are interested. Lesson 6 I am going to teach, because this is only a small concept. I have started trigonometry. I will complete this. Okay, it's me Bunu. Only this time the only small concept is there. I'll complete this, and tomorrow definitely most of the people are having difficulty in chapter 6. I'm going to do chapter 6. So this is called angle of elevation. Now the same story I will change. The same story I will change. Again I am taking a right angle triangle. Now this is a tower and AB is the tower and C is the car. A point. C is the point. Now the man is on the top of the tower. Here man is there. The man is observing the car with an angle of 60 degrees. So that means you have to draw a horizontal, and then this angle we call it as 60 degrees, and this we call as angle of depression. Angle of depression. So that means if the angle is below the horizontal, we call it as depression, angle of depression. The angle is above the horizontal, we call it as angle of elevation. So whatever, because wherever you are observing point of observation, there should be an horizontal, and horizontal is always parallel to ground base, therefore parallel lines, and this line of observation will work as a transversal, and this angle automatically will be 60 degrees, alternate interior angles. But this you have to show and write 60 degrees. Now this ABC angle 60 degrees, this ABC angle 60 degrees is same. You have to remember a triangle. Story को अच्छा सा diagram बनाओ. You make a diagram, and then from the diagram you apply the concepts. Okay. So this is how the applications of trigonometry works. Okay. So here there are two angles, angle of depression and angle of elevation. Okay. One is angle of elevation. The other one is angle of depression. So wherever you find this angle, you have to have with a horizontal. You need a horizontal. Okay, horizontal. Wherever, say like in this. Say in both the diagrams, in this diagram we have a horizontal. This is horizontal. Okay, horizontal means base for this, and this is horizontal. This is also horizontal. Okay, so wherever you draw, you should have a horizontal, and then angle will be horizontal, and the line of observation. Here this we call it as line of observation. And here also we call this as a line of observation, hypotenuse, line of observation. And remaining things are same. Once you got the triangle and then 60 degrees, then you can easily find the height if this is 100 meters. Find the height of the tower. So that means one side must be given. Any one of the three sides must be given, and you can find the other two sides. Okay, so now the same concept I will give you in a simpler form. In a simpler form I will give you in a simpler form. Just here this is a right angle triangle. I will not put any name, labeling and everything, and this is 30 degrees, and this is x, and this is y, and this is 100. Find x and y. this is in simple the trigonometric applications. In simple trigonometric applications. So then how to find out x, how to find out y. Now x and 100, this is opposite side and this is adjacent side. So the relation between opposite and adjacent is tan. Tan 60 degrees, if you write tan 60 degrees, opposite by adjacent side, that means 100 by x. So tan 60 value you will be getting, tan 60 is equal to 100 by x. Therefore x root 3 is equal to 100 and x is equal to 100 upon root 3. This is how you have to find out. Now we have to find out y. So now x value already we have got 100 by root 3. Now y, there is a relation between opposite side and the hypotenuse. Y is hypotenuse. So opposite and hypotenuse sine we have. So sine 60 is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. So opposite side is 100, hypotenuse is y. So sine 60 is root 3 by 2 is equal to 100 upon y. So then y is there. So y root 3 is equal to 200, cross multiplication, and y is equal to 200 by root 3. So this is how you have to apply trigonometry. Now previously I have explained height, this is a tower and this is angle of elevation, like that. So the same concept you have to convert into applications. Okay. Now what I will do, I will give you same problems on my screen. At least two, 3 problems I will give you. You do it. Okay. I am cleaning the board. Just I will give you. This is one triangle. This is one more triangle. And this is one more triangle. You take a screenshot. So in all the triangles find x and y. Find x and y. So here x I will put here, y I will put. So here x I will put, and this is y I will put, and x and y. So in all the things I will give you 100. This is 100 and this is 100. 100 units you can put it as a meter. In this I will just give you 60 degrees again, and in this I will give you 45 degrees, and in this I will give you again 45 degrees, again 45 degrees. Okay. So now using these 3 problems you can practice finding x and y. Then we will go into the exercise and we will apply the same concepts in all the problems. A very, very important chapter. I am going to do that exercise separately for you in a video, and I will upload the video. Okay. Please subscribe my channel, share this video to your friends. Now just now one student he wanted lesson 6. I am going to do lesson 6 exclusively for some people. Okay. So wait for my lesson 6. Either I may be doing the exercise and give you, otherwise tomorrow onwards I am going to start chapter 6. Thank you. Have a nice day. See you in my next live class. Every day my live class starts at 6 o'clock. The 6 o'clock time is given because exclusively all will be there in the house. Okay. Bye bye. See you soon.